Hello everybody, welcome again to the robot steel structure course. Now in this lecture we want to draw and define our grids that we want to modeling on them. So to do this we want to go to the project description and to show the dimension of our project. Show description of the project, we can show here the dimensions that we want to define. Also we can go to the AutoCAD file. Here we can show all that we need to define. So we have the width of the hangar steel equal to 25 meter and the length equal to 75 meter, the height equal to 12, and we have 3 meter for the top chord of the hangar. Also we have here steel trusses here, 2 trusses, and also we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 11, 14, 15, 16. So we need to define 16 grids for in this direction. Now we go to the robot grids. Okay, we want first of all we must check that we have use metric units that we have defined in the previous lecture. First of all we want to put the 0 0. So we want to put the 0 0. Now we return to the AutoCAD. Also we want to define a grids for the mid point of the here of the width of. So we want to put here the number of repetition equal to 2 and the distance equal 12.5. So we put here the second grids and x direction equal to 12.5 is the grid. This is this axis, and for this axis here equal 25. Okay, now for the y direction we want first of all to put the 0. Now the repetition for between okay we have also we can show here and the presentation if we didn't need to use the AutoCAD. So now we return to the robot. We put first of all the 0 0. Now we want 15 spacing. We have 16 axes but we have 15 spacing, and for the spacing between each axis here equal 5 meter to get the 75 meter. So we put here 5 and we press add. We can show here that we have 75 for the length. Also for the Z we put here first of all the 0 0, then we put 12. Okay, we put 12 directly here, and also we put 3. So the total elevation of this structure equal, here we must put 15. The total elevation of this hangar equal to 15 meter. We press apply. We can change here, for example for x direction we can put ABC, for y 1 2 3, for z we can put values, for example the elevation, and we press apply. Now we press closed. We have defined it. Now we are in the XZ plane. We can show YZ, XY, YZ, or we can go for this 3D. We can show the grids that we have defined. We can, for this work plane 3D, change our view and this 3D view, and to return to the standard 3D view we can press here. So we have defined our grids, the elevation and the grids and x direction and y direction for our structure. Thank you for listening. We will continue on the next lecture.